All right, we're back in Billy's garage, SN garage. What happened there, Billy?
Let's see what it looked like from the other way.
It's a little freezing out here, but we're gonna make it, what, minus 15 or something?
Yeah, it's not that nice out today. Got my winter toque on, got both heaters going. Actually, funny story about the heaters the other day. I was drilling this thing out. Metal chip fell into that electric heater.
Oh,
I thought that thing was gonna explode, man. It shot like a fireball out, and I was thinking, man, I don't know if these heaters are safe in here anymore, but anyways, got the heaters going, trying to get it warmed up a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna get some work done and get this motor back in there. A couple little things to button up first. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Transmission's still in the car, so could be some playing around there. Yeah, I hope you're ready to go.
Let's do it.
Okay, just gonna drill this out. High-end tapping techniques right here. Got the old Mastercraft adjustable.
It's the tool that just solves all your problems.
Right?
Adjustable,
This
yeah.
is probably the best tool I have in the shop. Definitely need to do a bit of a tool upgrade one of these days, but you know, gotta buy car parts before you buy the tools. So.
That's right.
If I went to the other side, that would have been right into the fuel pump. So I think I nailed it, although we might be like right into the oil filter instead. Stock sending unit plus additional oil pressure gauge, because we found out the hard way you need an oil pressure gauge.
Yes.
So
No oil pressure is no joy.
no oil means a lot of heart problems for me. Yeah, got the distributor in. We got to tighten it down. It's not too bad. Should be relatively close to where it needs to be. But we're going to find out when we start it up and it starts backfiring and banging and a bunch of white smoke pours out the exhaust again. Also, I think the battery's probably very dead, because when I was in there the other day I realized that the key was turned on. You're supposed to disconnect the battery when you do stuff like this. But instead I leave the battery in, hooked up, and the key on, just for a little extra excitement, you know?
That's awesome.
Yeah. I'm not sure why I just didn't take the clutch cable off in the first place.
You know, other things on your mind?
Well, I just was trying to get the motor out, you know? I just really wanted to get it out of there. So, you know how you like sometimes skip a couple steps? I really need a new clutch cable. This one's all stretched. See the washers I threw in there? Custom. Just like that. Aww. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really looking forward to dropping this thing in here.
It's going to be a challenge. It's either going to go extremely well or extremely not well.
Yeah, I don't see the first one happening. Oh god! They see me rolling.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Look at that fit.
Close one. Do you remember the dance we did to get this?
Oh yeah.
Brand new clutch.
Wow.
How many kilometers?
Well, how many laps do we do around the shop? That's about a half kilometer around the shop. Maybe ish. Remember, this was really weird to put on last time. Like, it didn't seem right.
Yes, I do remember that.
And then just kind of kept tightening it and hoping for the best. Bonk. Oh, that sealant oozing out of that intake. She's got to be sealed this time.
Oh yeah.
It's got to be. I was actually thinking the other day, man, what if we put too much sealant on it?
There's lots going on in that head of yours, eh?
Oh, it's really scary sometimes. Hi.
You can always comment down below, did Billy put too much sealant on in the last episode?
People are going to be just blown away that we're even allowed to do stuff like this. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
So, what was that I just bumped into?
That massive vise from the 1600s. Okay, very specific torque sequence on this. The largest of V8s. 5.0.
The 5.0.
Should have taken the trans out. I regret it already.
Yeah.
Everything I read, people are just like, just take it out. Just take it out.
I think you should just take it out, Billy.
Right now? No. It's in there. That cross member sucked too. I don't want to deal with that again. That looks pretty good.
It's not bad here, buddy.
Not bad. Come your way.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hitting that jack already.
Back up and then come at it. You'll clear the. It's just caught on the wheel. There you go. No swinger. There you go.
Oops.
It looks fantastic.
Aside from the part that we're way too far ahead.
We're a bit too far forward. Why don't you start getting this in the hole a bit?
Let's go down scope.
Down scope,
Slowly.
please. Okay, hold that for a sec. I'm going to relocate.
Sure.
You're up, going to get caught on some wires. And come down a bit.
Let it rotate a bit your way.
Yes, you can. You got
On
room.
the back. You do it. We're on these pipes here.
Okay, you got lot. You can come over this way.
Oh, we're really caught.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Down again. We got lots
Lots.
over here.
Oh, hang up.
We need to go like a
A lot down
6 inches.
Yep. It's right there.
You like that?
Well, yeah, we're
What
kind
do
of
we got?
nice.
What do we got going on back here?
We're not going to hit anything back here on this
And we're
side.
hitting the trans, right?
Yep.
The trans is forward right now, quite a bit.
Yeah.
It slid in the cross member, so I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or not.
You're on the shaft over here. We gotta be,
Okay, hold on. We just started on the input shaft. We needed that little kick. We're starting to go in. You gotta make sure you're straight, for sure. Try to eyeball the gap. Oh, it looks pretty close.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Yeah, I almost lost my finger. Okay, do you want to kind of just go off to the one side?
Yep.
And we'll try that. Are we into that string shaft over there?
Nope, you're good.
Oh, we're into the motor mounts now.
Right.
Need it to be about there.
Yep. Look at that.
Holy shit! Did we do something wrong?
Not yet.
Is that in?
Your mating surface is right there at the top.
Should I try to start a bolt?
I think you should try to get the top two there.
Crook it a little bit.
You want to ease off a bit? Which way you want to be?
That's straight.
That's straight there. Okay.
Okay, I think this bolt started. It feels like it's turning in. Oh god, that's very bright in my face. Come on, man.
Need a push?
No, I think we're pulling in. Dude, we might be getting somewhere. I hate to.
Jinx it at this point?
Yeah. I think we have a bolt going on each side. Just think, once we get it into the trans, we gotta try to get the motor mounts in those holes.
Yeah. How hard could that be?
Right?
I feel like there's only like one thing allowed to be super hard, and then everything else has to go as planned.
Oh yeah. If we shove and go down, do you think we'll get it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you run the down, I'll run the shove.
You want this just in case?
No.
You're just gonna manhandle it.
I'm gonna try. Try to go down slow.
Look at that.
Look at that!
Just like
That's the good stuff.
Told you, something has to pay off.
Baby! That's what I'm talking about. Finally! This feels exactly like what taking it out felt like.
Right?
2 hours of struggle and then all of a sudden, dang! Finally! Oh my god, I hated that. Oh, I hated it.
Billy, what just happened?
Finally got this thing in. Maybe 2 hours ish
Yep.
of struggling. Finally got the motor in. Kind of you guys thinking about pulling your motors in the forward here with the transmission disconnected? I would recommend you don't do that. It is very difficult to get the motor lined up properly and get the bell housing back touching the block. We'll get it hooked up this week, and next weekend we'll fire it up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. The hard work that went on here today.
Yeah, definitely hope you guys enjoy watching us struggle, because we seem to do a lot of that. It's really what this channel's all about, is the struggle. So,
The struggle is real.
it is very real.
All right, peace out till next time.
Yeah. Bye.
See ya.
Bye for now.